It's clearly taking over the industry, and it's not going to stop.
Sometimes it's tricky. There's a lot of risk out there.
You have to worry a lot.
Technology and data continue to be a disruptor to all aspects of healthcare. It's changing the way healthcare is delivered, consumed, and paid for. And health law professionals like those at Bradley are at the epicenter of innovations, driving new standards in law. As technology and data transform the health law practice, attorneys at Bradley are excited but pragmatic in their approach.
And we have to incorporate good technology in a meaningful way to do things efficiently. The market will demand it, our clients will demand it.
Travis Lloyd focuses on complex regulatory matters, but also keeps an eye on the bigger picture. He sees technological innovation as a reframing of the service health law professionals provide to healthcare organizations.
To make sure that we're creating responsible policy that allows for the things we want to allow, that allows for technology that ultimately improves patient care.
With the changing regulatory requirements, groups like Bradley have developed different subspecialties to meet demand.
All signs point to continued disruption.
Information technology laws and regulations are growing exponentially, and keeping up with the operational consequences changes almost daily.
Talk about 2030 and beyond, many of these vendors in the telemedicine space have achieved their 5-year plan in the last 6 months.
Amy Leopard leads cybersecurity, privacy, and digital health teams.
So data is driving innovation because it's helping us use an evidence-based process for selecting the right treatments at the right time.
Not only shaping the way care is delivered, but driving reimbursement models and how providers get paid.
Understanding data and using it properly is fundamental to how providers get paid. We're using data to see how you perform as a clinician, whether or not your outcomes and your utilization are similar to your peers.
One of the fastest evolving areas of healthcare law is the intersection of information technology and privacy.
As a former prosecutor, I focused often on those clients and those companies that weren't focused on information security. And now as a lawyer on the other side, that's often the starting point and the ending point of many of my conversations with clients about the need to take data safeguards and technology safeguards seriously.
For Amy Leopard and health law attorneys across the country that focus on privacy, walking clients through new rules on electronic health records is requiring some fancy footwork.
So we've had to kind of step back from that and design a toolkit to help clients get through it and organize all of the steps that they'll need to take over the next couple of years to ensure their compliance with the information blocking requirements.
Health lawyers are also stepping up already sophisticated legal guidance in hospital mergers, specifically by understanding and using technology and data.
One of the things that data has helped us with is that whether or not you're going to comply with a law, whether it's the anti-kickback statute or the Stark law, often depends on the facts, which in this case are the numbers and the data.
Quickly vetting and verifying information is crucial in the hospital deal of the future.
Because if you structure something like that wrong at the outset, and it goes on for years and years, you could end up with catastrophic liability. And that's the type of thing now that we can have a much better quality and higher confidence in when we set it up at first.
It comes down to strengthening the interaction between patients and providers while expanding opportunities for health lawyers.
The law firms that do adapt and embrace technology more are going to be in a lot better position than those who don't.
And recognizing that you have an opportunity with each new law, each new regulation to become the expert in that area.
The use of technology and data in healthcare is a complex area to navigate, and it's constantly evolving. For health law professionals operating in these dynamic environments, looking ahead to the future is more important now than ever before.